and welcome to another video. You know what I mean? Alright, so for this episode or for this video, I will be reacting to Kai Cenat class of 2026 streamer university. You know what I mean? So all we know Kai Cenat is actually one of them big youth streamer that kick and them YouTube and them place them. Isn't it? I say and him do what? But I supposed to know Kai. Isn't it? But without no further ado, we'll get right into the video. Isn't it? I say. So we can react to Kai streaming university. Let's go.
Yeah.
By the way, first me I see this video. I never watched this video before. So let's see what I go on. Let's go.
Guys, I promise, this is how you get to stream university. You run through the wall like the ticket says.
This remind me the song they Bina did a. This kind of look familiar. You see me? But we are watching and see.
Nice. Y'all niggas don't work. Why are we here?
Okay, just watch. Just watch.
Bro, this look familiar. Like some Harry Potter shit. Talk true. It is. But this is really creative.
What?
Because nobody has ever done this. I never seen nobody do this before, isn't it? So this is really creative.
No. I can't go back to the village. We're gonna have to try this. Come on.
Okay, just remember, pay attention in class, make new friends, and most importantly, the dean does not like parties.
Save that for Disney.
Who is the dean though? Who is the fucking dean? Because I know Kai ain't gonna be the dean. More like he's like the principal or some shit like that. I don't know. But when they call the people who, you know, like when you go primary school, you have the principal, and when you go high school, you have the principal. Who run shit at the universities? I have never been to a university. I have been to a college, but not a university. I don't even know who are the head of the college. Somewhere I leave in the comment section, what's the term they use for the person who are the head in the college institution?
I've been trying to be nice.
Whether it is a principal or some other term. I don't know the term.
All day. You keep this up and I'ma beat your face in.
What the fuck? We have AI, right? So we're gonna use AI. We're gonna use up AI. We're gonna use ChatGPT, if you know what I mean. To provide the answer to my question. But more if you leave it in the comment section, same way. Listen to this. Hey, ChatGPT.
Hey, what's up?
What's
How's
up?
it
How you
going?
doing? I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing great too. What's on your mind tonight?
All right, I have a question. You know, like when you're going to the I'm from Jamaica, right? So we have primary school, we have high school. You know, like you in the primary school and the high school, you have like the head of the school, who the person name is well, the title is of that person is actually the principal, right? What's the title or the term for the person who actually runs shit in the university? Is it still principal?
That's a good question. Okay. It's usually not principal at a university. It's often called a chancellor in many places.
Oh, chancellor.
But chancellor. In some countries, the title can be president or vice chancellor, depending on the specific system. In Jamaica specifically, UTEC uses president, I think. And UWI uses campus principals plus a vice chancellor.
I did not know that. Thank you.
No problem. Anytime. If you want, tell me which university you're thinking of, and I can give you the exact title that they use.
What's the title they use in Oxford University? in the US, or no, in the in which is it, in the US or in England? Oxford University.
At Oxford, there's a chancellor, but that's a mostly ceremonial role. The real head is the vice chancellor.
Okay. And where is Oxford University located? Is it in the is it in the United States, or is it in England?
It's in England. Yeah, one of the oldest universities in
What's
the world, actually.
what's the most prestigious university or college in the United States?
Let me see. Well, there's no single official answer, but people often name Harvard as the
Oh,
most
Harvard.
prestigious.
That's the name, Harvard.
Hmm.
Harvard. So what's the term or the title of the person who's the head in Harvard University?
Checking that. At Harvard, the top role is the president.
President.
Right
Okay.
now, that's
All right. Thank you so much
Dr.
for your help.
Alan Garber.
All right, guys. So the title or the term used for the person who runs shit in the university is the president. You know what I mean? So I didn't fucking know that. If you knew that, kudos to you. You know what I mean? But let's get back to the video.
Hope you guys have so much fun!
Why I'm cheating, I'm plagiarizing, I'm making sure you a movie. I'm gonna put this straight right now. I'm not on what you want. I'm streaming every day, 24/7. Listen. What you wanna be, the teacher's pet or something? Huh? Yes. No. This is Stream University. We gotta turn our savage up, bro. You know what?
Dog said teacher's pet. Who remember Vibes Cartel teacher's pet? Let's look for that right now. Vibes Cartel teacher's pet. If you remember it, I go show you. Cause the term teacher's pet of Vibes Cartel, I know that one. Vibes Cartel. Teachers pet. You know? Bombo clot, I know. Let me see this. July 2011. Guys, me have a bad internet speed. Is it me? So.
Yo. Different type of girl from all over the world. Teachers pet, anything teacher want. Teacher girl. White girl, brown girl. From the teachers pet, whiny girl, them love me. Over me, I don't know. Woman of Jamaica, woman of I don't go one house.
Yeah, teachers pet. Me say me can find a quick clip. P side. This look like one nice piece. Let me see.
Baby, you know I love you. You fi be my girlfriend.
Oh, that's a song. And let me get now go find on this. I said teachers pet episode 1. But let's see. More on the guitar.
You guys nice girl, tequila. Shut up. Hey, get the fuck out. I'm serious.
Just trying to get used to living with all these girls. I don't like girls. I don't like being around all these girls.
You don't watch people's back. You made me.
Yeah, so that's teacher's pet. Let's go.
What I got in my suitcase? I don't want to hear about it. I got weed. I got the eyes. And the bottle. What?
That's Kai Cenat.
The bottles? I'm gonna bring books. Ring, you know?
Maybe this nigga is a dean or something, man. Maybe he's a dean.
Low hopes, fellas. Low hopes. I'm disappointed, fellas. I did it last year. I'm not doing it this year. You two. Oh.
Wait, please, no.
And don't even think about sneaking in. We have campus safety this year.
Oh, come on, please.
I'm not letting you in.
Yeah, that look like a role like dean. Cause he must show like a disciplinary character or role. You know what I mean?
I can't go home right now, bro. You thinking what I'm thinking?
And for the rest of you,
That's my joke.
no partying, no smoking, no drinking,
Yeah, man,
no
man.
skipping class, or breaking any of the campus rules.
I joke when it's
Who is on the roof?
Kai Cenat! Cheaper University, here I come! I don't think it's a good idea, Reed! We gon' make a movie! We gon' get down!
This seems interesting, intriguing. You know what I mean? This is Kai Cenat 2026 Streamer University. I am not sure as to what it is exactly about, but based on what me I see in the video, it seems like it's a class thing where they might teach them with a stream or something. I don't know. Or they probably gonna have like some events where they have to compete or something. I don't know exactly what it's actually about, but it seems interesting and it is very creative. You know what I mean? And would I really want to see what will happen in this year's streaming university. You know what I mean? Fun fact, I heard that about 1 million person actually applied for this one streaming thing, you know what I mean? And I think only 100 person did accept in the streaming university. Let me know if that's true. You know what I mean? You know, let's use AI, because we have a technology, I say, you know. Let me ask AI and see what AI say. Hey,
How's
chat
it really going?
Yeah, I'm good. I have a quick
How's
question.
that?
Do you know the streamer by the name of Kai Cenat?
Yeah, I do.
And
Kai
do you
Cenat's a
do
super. What
and
was
did you
that?
and did you know that he has this event called the Streaming University?
Mm, checking. Yeah, Streamer University is one of his events. Yeah. It's like a creator camp where he brings in other streamers and online personalities to teach and collaborate with upcoming creators. Yeah,
Oh,
so are
cool.
you
So
Yeah, have you been thinking
so
about
so yeah, basically, yeah. So basically that the people. Well, me now go hold no longer, you know what I mean? You know? Until next time, you know the thing go. Fayskull out. Boom!